welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good and also your kids are doing great. My baby Jaden is doing great. He got something really special yesterday and I couldn't show it, but I'm gonna show you guys what he got. You guys will be really happy to see it because I was really happy to see it. Yes, baby? We're gonna show them what you got yesterday. Something very special. Sam? No, Papa, not here. We should stop near our house. Where is our house? You know where is our house? Are? Keep your hands inside. It's very hot outside, baby. Why are you keeping it there? Uncle will scold you, see. You will get hurt, baby. Keep your hands inside.
There's so many vehicles.
There's so many vehicles out there.
Oh my god. What happened?
Ask what happened. How was it, dear baby?
Yeah, baby.
Let's go to church. Church will go on Sunday. Sunday, baby. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And Sunday we'll go to church. What happened? Why are you shaking? What you gonna do now? What is that? No, baby. Why you touch all the insects? What is that? Let me see. Oh my god, don't do that. Oh my god, where are ants? Yes, ants are going to eat lunch. Jaden will also eat lunch now. Yes, baby?
Oh no.
Come on.
Why do?
What happened?
Why do it?
Oh yes, you did not throw. I threw it by mistake, Papa. It fell down. Top fell down. So that's what it's showing me, guys. I'll pick it up, okay? No worries. Come on, let's go.
Mama.
Oh, baby. No, that is not Dada's shirt. That is Mama's top. I'll pick it later. It's okay. You don't have to trouble yourself. See, guys, he's trying to climb from there to get it. It's okay, baby. Thank you so much. It's okay. No, Papa, don't want. Amma, that's not safe. Go. Go up. It's okay. It's okay. We'll come back again, okay? Wow, you got star. That's nice, man. What did you do in school? Arey, again cat. Why? Jadu, baby. Get up. Come on. Oh, you got hurt. That's what I'm saying. You don't do this. Yeah, baby.
Go up.
Yes, go up.
Go up.
Let's go up and see. You got something from school, remember?
Go up there.
Come, let's show everyone what you got. Come, let's show everyone what you got from school.
Go up there.
Yes, go up. Come on, get up, bacha. You should not sit like this. Hey, get up.
Go sit up. Go
Come on,
up.
go sit up. Go sit in the house. Get up, get up.
Go up.
Yes, baby.
Go
Come on, close
up.
the gate. Get up, get up. Close the gate. Close the gate. Stand up and close the gate, Papa. Oh, Jedu. Good job. Come on. Where, cat? Can you get up, cat? Stop taking ants, Papa. You should not do like that. Leave them alone. Jaden. No need. What are you trying to do? You're trying to protect them by throwing them down. You think someone will stamp them? He always does that, guys. He's so fond of ants. He sees them. He thinks that someone might stamp it. So he's throwing it. Get up! It's so dirty, Jedu. No touching there. Oh my god. Hi.
Yeah.
Again, one more ant. Look at your knees. They have become so dirty. Meow meow. Meow meow. Hi, cat. Hello, cat. Go on, Dad. Come. Let's show what you got. Let's show everybody what you got. Yes, guys. So this is what Jaden got. He got Star of the Month, July. So cute. And he got this keychain. We have kept all of his stuff from school preserved here in this small wardrobe that we have. So cute. So happy to see that. I just couldn't show to you guys yesterday, so I decided I'll show you guys today. Baby, come on, let's go clean up. Let's go wash. What are you doing, baby? These are my trees, guys. I love natural trees. They make me feel so good. Already have God-given trees over here, but also I wanted to plant some trees. They make us feel so good. Come, baby. Oh, your bag fell down. Come on. Remove your shoes and socks. Okay, drink water. Huh? Why did you take lotion? Why you want lotion? So this is the body lotion that I use for Jaden, which is really good, and also the body wash I use from Mother's Push. I used to use sunscreen also from Mother's Push. Then I don't know, they have stopped the sunscreen, is what I can see. I mean the one that I like. So then now I started using this. This is Fixderma Shadow SPF 50 gel. Gel is good. Hey, Teddy boy, come here. And for kids, it has SPF, PA++, UVA plus UVB, and 2 years plus. So it's really the best one, I would say to you guys. And the cost is 700, but I got it for 600 after discount from Amazon.